Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by creating a backup copy. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, add a helper column called key that concatenates normalized fields, for example name, email, and phone using lower and trim so spacing and case won't create false differences. Once done, sort the sheet by that key column to group identical entries together. This gives a clear visual of duplicates. Make sure to scan the first grouped rows to confirm your concatenation logic works. Then proceed to the core dedup steps. You now identify duplicates systematically. First, create a preview using unique on a copy sheet so you can inspect how rows will look after dedupe. Then add a flag column with countif, key range, key cell, one to mark duplicates explicitly. That helps you review which rows to remove. Once verified, you can use data cleanup remove duplicates for simple cases, or a small app script that keeps the first occurrence and deletes subsequent ones when you need precise control. Keep a manual review step before permanent deletion. You finish by restoring any original sort order, reapplying formulas or conditional formatting that the dedupe process may have disrupted, and then archiving removed rows on a separate sheet so they remain retrievable. Make sure to test a few lookups or mail merge keys to confirm everything still matches. If something goes wrong, use the backup copy or Google Sheets version history to revert. That is your primary troubleshooting tip. Restore the prior version. Adjust your helper logic, and try the steps again with a smaller subset first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.